Welcome to Mampu AI. In this tutorial, we'll manage account settings, review monthly active contacts, and check the referral dashboard. Let's start with the general account settings. Open Settings to view the main workspace, routing, automation, integration, and account sections. Under General, you can manage the account name, site language, and email settings. For this demo, we'll change the account name to Bright Dental. The site language can also be changed from this menu. The account ID is also available here for API-based integrations. Click Update Settings to save the changes. After refreshing, the updated account name remains saved. Next, let's look at monthly active contacts. Under Settings, open Billing to view your current plan and usage. Monthly active contacts is tracked separately from your total contacts. Here you can monitor your MAC usage against your current plan limit. If you reach the limit, refer to the current plan rules for any restrictions or upgrade options. Finally, let's look at the referral program. Open Referral to view your program details and referral status. You can copy your referral link directly from the dashboard. Always refer to the current dashboard for the latest program terms. Next tutorial, we'll look at managing teams, automation assets, and reply SLA. Subscribe for next tutorial.